Hello guys, this is Gamer MW and wow, today's special because did you notice this? Yeah, there's a maintenance break today. Alright, June 18th. Yeah, it will be a major update. This maintenance break is for a major update. Let us check that. Yeah, we will get these stuffs. Even we can rename our username in PUBG after the update, and before the update there is a maintenance break. The update will be in between 19th June to 25th June. Okay, and you can see a lot of new things are introduced in the new update. First person perspective, wow, that's amazing. Royal Pass Season 1, that's, I think it's new. And mini zone, a smaller map. Yeah, we got more smaller maps. Yeah, that's amazing. Weapons and airplane finishes. Yeah, that will be awesome, that we needed. View weapon in the new armory. Okay, pistols now gets their own UI. Maybe it will be nice. Okay, and melee weapon can destroy tires. Wow, that's awesome. Individual teammates can be murdered. That's what we needed. That's really that's a nice improvement. Post match result screen. Okay, tire protection system. Oh, Asian character models. That's awesome. Emotes. That's we needed. That would be amazing. Just guys, amazing. Able to link to social network. That's also awesome. That's now we can only connect to Facebook. Now, if you are connecting to Facebook, we can connect to Google. Added room cards. Okay, new items in the shop. That's we needed. Items can be gifted. Wow, that's also nice. So these are the major updates, and hope you guys got what I'm saying. The update will be in between 19th and 25th June, and we will get a lot of new steps in the new update. They are promising us that they will give some rename card and something as a reward for the update. And hope you all like this game, love this game. Hope you all will love my channel as this game. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.